All right, in this video, we are going to discuss running JavaScript for the very first time, and then we're also going to discuss some JavaScript comments. All right, in order to run JavaScript, you need a special HTML tag. This tells the web browser that we are no longer running HTML, we are now running JavaScript, so it needs to work a little differently. The way we make this tag is we type the word script and then hit tab or enter, and that puts in two script tags. Anything I type between these two script tags is JavaScript and not HTML. So up here, I typed the body tag. If I type body between script and I type body, just like we would type normal HTML, you can see it gives me an error. It's this red squiggly line, says, wait a minute, that's not supposed to exist in a script tag. So we'll get rid of that. So what we can type, whatever we type here is JavaScript. Traditional for coding is with JavaScript is you say hello world for your first program. So let's write hello world. One of the ways we can do that is with a pop-up box that shows up on the screen. In our pop-up box, we're going to say hello world. The way you make a pop-up box in JavaScript is you use the keyword alert. So we're going to say alert, and then we're going to put open parentheses. This says, when you want to show an alert, I need a message of some sort. So for our message, we're going to say hello world. And for this video, I'm just going to tell you to put it in double quotes. I'll explain why in the next video, but we're going to say double quotes, and then we're going to say hello world. And then we're going to save our code. So that's Command S on a Mac, Control S on a Windows, or File, Save in either case, and that will save your file. I have my live server running. If you don't, you'll come down here and click this button. I promise I will stop saying that in a few videos, but just while we're getting started, wanted to remind you that this button is where you can access your live server. If your live server is already running, then you can come over here to Safari and you can see, ta-da, pop-up box. Now we are really getting into coding. So we've got a pop-up box. It says hello world. So now we've run our first JavaScript, and with great power comes great responsibility, so it's important to learn how to comment. So inside of our script tag, we'll enter down. There are three ways to make a comment in JavaScript. You can use the double forward slash, you can use the forward slash asterisk, and then asterisk forward slash, and then that will let you comment multiple lines. So whatever I type here is a comment and will not cause errors, because the computer, as a reminder from the last video, the computer sees the comments but doesn't run them. So this allows the developer to leave notes for themselves or anyone that comes after. So this is a multi-line comment. Double slashes is a single line comment. And then, sorry, the third way of making a comment is actually just a keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut is Command slash or Control slash on a Windows, and that puts in the two slashes for a single line comment. And then you can type something here, and this is a comment. We are good developers, so we are going to leave ourselves a note about what we've done here. So I'm going to say, this is my first message to the world. And then hit Command or Control S. That will save it. This comment is just for us, so it doesn't change anything about the way the website runs, but it means that someone coming along later will know what our code does. And that wraps up commenting in JavaScript and running our first JavaScript.